It is time for lawyers worldwide to show solidarity with lawyers in Pakistan who are waging a struggle to challenge the lawlessness of an ugly usurper, a man in military uniform determined to undermine a Muslim nation that yearns for democracy. The lawyers are protesting in the streets of Pakistan because the usurper has suspended the Constitution in exercise of all powers. When one man can suspend and alter the fundamental constitution of a nation, the abuse of power is unlimited. The lawyers in Pakistan are putting their lives on the line because the usurper has suspended the basic rights of the people of Pakistan. The lawyers of Pakistan are refusing to submit to the usurper because, under the new regime, anyone can be arrested without being informed of the grounds of such arrest. No longer does the arrested person have any right to consult or to be defended by a lawyer. The lawyers of Pakistan are protesting on the courthouse grounds because the usurper has suspended the freedom of movement. Many Supreme Court justices and politicians have been detained in their houses. Numerous human rights lawyers have been made political prisoners in their own homes. The usurper has also suspended the right to free speech and freedom of the press. The electronic media have been turned off. The lawyers are marching in unison because a nation without free speech is a dead nation, and a nation without a free press is vulnerable to gross violations of human rights. The lawyers of Pakistan are being beaten, detained, and taken away from their children and families. They have been charged with crimes of terrorism because they have made a commitment to stand for the rule of law, democracy, and fundamental rights. A message to the lawyers of the world. The lawyers of Pakistan need the moral support of lawyers around the world. The lawyers of the world must support this struggle against a lawless dictator and express solidarity with the lawyers of Pakistan. Global solidarity among lawyers is needed because dictators can arise in any nation. No legal text furnishes security against those who subvert even the noblest constitution to maximize their willfulness. When the lawyers and judges of the world are fearless and determined to uphold the rule of law, the tide of tyranny can be abated. Global solidarity among lawyers will show to the world that the profession anywhere and everywhere stands for the rights of the people, all the peoples, and a right diminished anywhere is a right diminished everywhere. Let the lawyers of the world get together in big cities and in small towns. Let them assemble peacefully, exercise free speech, pass resolutions to condemn the mistreatment of lawyers in Pakistan. Let the lawyers of the world speak against the suspension of fundamental rights in Pakistan. Let them demand that the justices of the Pakistan Supreme Court be freed from detention. so that they can continue their charge of maintaining the rule of law. Let the lawyers of the world petition their leaders to put pressure on the Pakistani dictator to restore the Constitution. If the lawyers of the world do nothing to support the lawyers' resistance in Pakistan, tyranny will be entrenched.